Hello everyone, I'm going to show you in this video how to bling out some napkin rings, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, the holidays are coming and everyone wants their tabletop looking fabulous, so here we go. You're going to need the napkin rings. I got these from Dollar General for $2 for 4 napkin rings. This is the beaded tape that I use. You can pick this up from any hobby shop. And of course, you also need a pair of scissors. So any scissors will do, and a hot glue gun. So I took one napkin ring and I made a guide. And so I took that guide and I cut the other 3 strips for the other napkin rings. I actually ended up pulling them apart because it worked easier this way instead of using the scissors. When I first started applying the glue, I applied it to the strip. However, after doing the first one, I realized that applying the glue to the actual napkin ring down the center first and then slowly applying the strip worked better. So it did for me anyway. So maybe you can try it and you do whatever is best for you. Okay, I'm done. It literally took me less than 30 minutes to do these 4 napkin rings, and I think they turn out really nice. With the holidays coming up, they'll look fabulous on your table. Thanks for stopping by Casa by Vicki Sykes. I really appreciate you stopping by. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, beauty, but most of all, joy. Bye-bye until next time.